Let me show you how you can enter and exit the safe mode on Google Pixel 10. So first of all, in order to go to the safe mode, we need to open the power menu. So I'm gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time. And now once you see the power menu, you have to press and hold your finger on the power off button. After a second, you will see this message, reboot to safe mode. So of course we want to press OK, and now we need to wait for our phone to restart into the safe mode. And there we go. As you can see over here in the bottom left corner, we are indeed in the safe mode. The airplane mode is enabled, some apps and widgets won't work in this mode. And that should be all. Now, if you want to exit the safe mode, what you have to do is simply restart your device. So once again, I'm gonna press the power button and volume up button to show the power menu and just tap on restart. And then once we go back into the normal mode, once the phone restarts, it should go back to the normal mode. Remember that the airplane mode might still be enabled, so you might want to turn it off afterwards. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.